Exercise 10.5, exponents in equations and inequalities. X equals 2, find the value of x to the negative 2x power, all raised to the x to the negative x power. Remember, you have calculators to help you simplify these, so that looks very, very complicated. But if you plug it into your calculator step by step, you should be able to handle this situation. So x is equal to 2, which means we have 2 to the negative 2 times 2 power. All of that then is raised to the 2 to the negative 2 power. Simplify as we go here. Inside the set of parentheses, we have 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4th power. Out here, 2 raised to the negative 2nd power. Plug that into your calculator. 2 raised to the negative 2nd power is 1/4. Use your rule of exponents. Now, when we have exponent to an exponent, or power raised to a power, remember we multiply. So take negative 4 times 1/4. We end up with 2 to the negative 1st power. Plug that then into your calculator, and you get 1/2. X is 27. Find the value of this expression. So now we're plugging in 27 for x. So 2 times 27 to the 0 power plus 27 to the 2/3 power plus 27 to the negative 2/3 power. Evaluate each one of these in your calculator. You know anything to the 0 power is just 1. So this is 2 times 1, which is 2. In your calculator, do 27 to the 2/3 power. That's 9. Punch into your calculator 27 to the negative 2/3 power, and that is 1/9. Add all this up now in your calculator. 2 plus 9 plus 1/9. Leave as a fraction. You should get 100 over 9. Okay, second one here. There's 2 ways equations like this can be solved. When you have variables up in the exponent, you can solve by using logarithms, which we are not going to talk about in here. It's something you may see or will see a little bit at the end of your Algebra 2 class, but we're not going to get into logarithms in this class. The only other way then you have of solving is by being able to rewrite in terms of the same base. So in other words, when I look at 4 and 8, there's a number that I can write as a power that is the same for both 4 and 8. 4 we know is the same as 2 squared. 8 is the same as 2 cubed. Once you make that substitution and you've rewritten both sides in terms of the same base, in this case 2, now it's a matter of following all of your rules of exponents. Once again, we have power to a power. We multiply. So I take 2 times x plus 2. You need to remember to distribute. Same thing on this side. I need to distribute 3. We get 9x minus 18. Now, once you have a single base raised to a power equal to that same base raised to a power, that implies if 2 raised to the 2x plus 4 equals 2 raised to the 9x minus 18, that means, well, 2x plus 4 then has to equal 9x minus 18. And you can take that step anytime you have converted these to like bases here, and now solve this equation. Subtract the 9x over. Subtract the 4 over. Divide. And we get positive 22/7.